Hello, boys and girls. Are you ready for part 2 of the Lima Bean experiment? Well, it is day 4 now, and we're going to check it. I checked on the Lima Beans for the past few days. So I looked at it day 2 and day 3, and now it's day 4. I'm going to take it down again, and you're going to look to see what the Lima Beans look like now. Did they grow? What do you think could have happened to them? Well, the first thing I have to do is take it off the window. And then we're going to go into the kitchen to look at it. And then we have to go to my dining room table and to do another part of this experiment that I told you about, making the chart. So come with me. Let's walk, because this is my second bedroom. And here is our area, like last time, remember? Now, let's look. It's still wet, so I may not have to do a new paper towel. Oh, it is still wet, so that's good. If your paper towel isn't wet anymore, it's okay. You could get a new paper towel to put it in and put more water if the paper towel is still good. Now, I got it. Open it. We have to open it. It could be hard to open up the wet paper towel, but Miss Melanie will find a spot. Let's see. Why can I open it? There we go. Miss Melanie figured it out. All right, that's one. Wait, all right, I opened it and oh wow. Okay, dry my hands. Let's look. So this one just got bigger, remember? And I'm gonna go get a lima bean so you could see what they look like. Remember what they look like? They were pretty small, right? And here we go. Wow. Gotta close it. Look at the difference. What do you see? Good. This lima bean that we first put in here on day 1 is this small. And now this lima bean is bigger. This one too got bigger, you see? But 2 of these lima beans started growing something. They started to sprout. Do you see? That one's sprouting. And this one's sprouting. I don't want to touch it, so it's very delicate. So don't really touch it like Miss Melanie is. Be careful. But look, it's sprouting. And the coat is coming off, you see? Remember, seeds have a coat, and this one has a coat coming off. So we're going to leave them here like this, and we're going to go over to another area that I have set up right here. And as you can see, I already have everything we need. So what you need is, you just need a piece of paper and different color markers. And Ms. Melanie has black, beige, green, and orange. And what you do is you make lines. So you make one line on top. So you gotta write what it is. And then you can make lines going down. I made 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines that make 5 columns. So here's 5 columns. Then I made 4 rows. That's 3 lines only going across. 1, 2, 3. And then you write with orange, yes, Lima, Lima, beans, Beans, growth, Growth, chart, Charts, T. Lima Beans roast chart. And there you go. And then you write your days in. You put day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. And remember, we're on day 4, but you could kind of think that my lima beans and your lima beans are probably going to look the same. So, you see what Ms. Melanie did? So I used beige because these lima beans look beige. Day 1 and day 2, they got bigger. Day 3, they're bigger. Now, day 4, they're big, a little bit more, bigger than day 3. So I'm going to make 1 lima bean, 2 lima beans, 3 lima beans, 4 lima beans. The only thing is the 2 top ones, I'll color them in. And 1 I'm going to color in a little different. I'm going to leave a little opening to show that the coat is coming off. I'm going to put a little sprout coming out of 2 of them. And that's what my day 4 ones look like, remember? See, they're bigger than day 3. See how they grew? So day 4, I have a bigger than day 3. And then I put a sprout onto 1. And then I added another little sprout onto another one. But I made a little opening because the coat is coming off of 1. Remember that? So remember, you got to draw exactly what you see. So that is my lima beans growth chart. And I can't wait to see your growth charts. Make sure that you video or mommy and daddy take pictures and send it to your teachers. It would be very interesting to see how your lima beans are growing. So now let's continue what we're going to do now. Okay. Let's go over here. So I told you it's still wet. So sometimes it'll still be wet. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave the lima beans where they were. Remember? 1, 2, 3, and 4, because the coat's coming off of this one. And I'm going to fold it up again, like I did before. Just fold it up. And then we're going to put it, because it's still wet. If it's not wet yours anymore, you can add a little water. I'm going to put it back into our Ziploc bag. And I'm going to close it, take all the air out. You have a little air in it. And we're going to put it back onto my window. And then next week on Monday, I'm going to show it to you again. So that would be how many days away? So today's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, another 4 days. And you will see my chart, how it grew, and then you'll see what mine looks like on Monday. I cannot wait to show you. Oh, come with me back to the other bedroom. I have my what? Lima beans to put. All right. So let's put you back. There's the window, and you need your tape again. Well, it's not that sunny today, but it's okay. It'll be sunny later on in the day. It's just the morning. Ms. Melanie's doing this. And I'm taping it on. It's on my window, and let's see what happens to my lima beans next. I hope you had fun with me. I'll see you soon. Bye.